Hi, Jason GQue, GQue Barbecue Honey Garlic Sauce. It's one of my all-time favorite sauces. Delicious and simple. If you want to see how to make it, it's coming up right now. Quick trip for separating the garlic. That's what we're going for. Garlic ready to mince. Let's chop up some ginger. The first thing we gotta do is get rid of this outer skin. What I notice most about the ginger is just the aroma. It's a very pleasant, floral, refreshing aroma. Both garlic and ginger have those very strong aromas that add lots of flavor to your sauce. Ginger and garlic are a good pairing for one another. I like to stick to a 4-to-1 ratio when I combine them. So I go 4 parts garlic to 1 part ginger. Let's build this sauce. Equal parts soy sauce to honey, 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup. Now this is important. I'm just showing you a framework to make a sauce. Make this the way you like it. If you like a sweeter sauce, use a higher ratio of honey to soy sauce. Just a splash of olive oil. I think heat makes everything taste better, so I'm gonna add a little heat to the sauce. I'm using cayenne. If you're afraid of it being too hot, try crushed red pepper. I'm gonna stir it up to combine the soy sauce and honey. Add to the grill for about 15 minutes to warm it up and homogenize all those wonderful flavors. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. Sweet, savory, and that heat from the cayenne. I love that honey garlic sauce, and I'm confident your friends and family will too. It doesn't matter if it's chicken, seafood, or pork. That's an excellent compliment, and it needs to get in your rotation. If that looked good and that's something you want to try, give me a thumbs up. I'm using that honey garlic sauce on the next video, and it's going to be awesome. Jason GQue, GQue Barbecue, and I'll see you on the next one.